Another dude, man.
I'm open to it all.
You got another guy on your friends list, man. He's from, I want to say Serbia. His name's Dukan.
Yeah, Dukan.
Dukan. That's how you pronounce that. Okay. I didn't know if it's.
Yeah, that's my boy. That's my ace in the hole right there. We just work as a team, man. And as a producer, Dukan too. He's a nice producer too. He likes working with strings, and he gives you a whole new vibe, man. And you know, for anybody out there looking at.
Još reper.